4th of July 2024 seems to be a very present day. Unfortunately not for me. Just because of an irresponsible person being on the phone for the entire time while driving on road, I met with a crash because of his mistake. As usual in the morning, I was heading up to office. Unfortunately, just because I was late and I had just washed my jacket, I was not having my jacket on me at that particular day. So as soon as I reached Andheri flyover, I saw a person being on a call entire time in his car. I started honking, giving him pass light so that he can notice me while coming. So then he gave me a way. As soon as I entered, here what happened. Without looking at the mirror, no signal lights, he just took a right. And my front tire was so close to his bumper, I got hit and there I went badly down. As soon as I got up, I was through a lot of pain. I had a bad injury on my shoulder, on my elbow, scars on my knee, and the biggest pain for a biker is to look his bike with a lot of damages on it. I could have been safe from all this injury if I would have had my riding jacket on. A lot of people do this mistake, just saying what can happen in the city. But most of the time, city is more dangerous than ride. Generally in touring, we have a mindset to wear the entire gears and we're all prepared for the ride. Why don't we think that the same thing can happen in the city also? Even if I go at 2 kilometers, doesn't matter. I might think what can happen in 2 kilometers. It's unsafe. Trust me. So I would suggest every biker or every person who's looking to this video, not compromise on your safety. So the main purpose of making this video is to share the experience, what I went through, and also to spread the awareness for every city rider to buy at least a city gear who do their daily commutes. By saying wearing city gears, I don't mean you to go and buy a top-notch gears for yourself. I would suggest to wear at least an essential gears which is really requirement while riding in city. So to spread this awareness, we team Bikester has created a hashtag, that is #GearUpinCity. So whenever you gear up for your city commute, we would request you to take a picture, upload it on any social media platform, use this hashtag. You can also tag us on Instagram with your picture. So together we can spread this awareness as much as possible. So I hope you are ready for this. Ride safe and I'll see you in the next one.